Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Olivier and Alima. Today we're going to talk about Mesh by Amazon list research using Mesh. Let's get right into it. First of all, if it's your first time, welcome. My name is Oliver and I'm bringing you tips and tricks on how to make money online with print on demand. Mesh is not only this beautiful dashboard where you can see your daily sales. It's also an analytics tool and also a powerful research tool. You have access to the research tool when you have access to Mesh Pro or Mesh Pro Plus. The one I'm using right now is Mesh Pro Plus. You can have access using the link below. They have a huge discount that they are doing right now where you can have full access for only $149 per year. It's 57% off. So how are you going to do your Mesh by Amazon list research using Mesh Pro Plus? When you're on your dashboard, you're going to click on this research button here. Once you are on this research page, you will be able to filter by keywords and research by title or title, brand, and bullet. This is very, very good. This is very, very interesting because now you can only research keyword on your title. This is a very powerful tool because, as you know, a lot of people are doing keyword stuffing. Means that, for example, if a design is for a birthday or it's for Christmas, they're gonna add birthday and Christmas on all their design. Okay, but if you are looking for a specific design that you want to do for birthday, when you enter birthday, Mesh Pro Plus here will only look for the keyword birthday in the title. Now, if you want to look everywhere else, you will have to use the title, brand, and bullet. But I highly encourage you, when you are looking for a specific niche, to select title only so that Mesh will look for it. So you're gonna keep United States here, gonna keep on title only, t-shirt, and you can sort by BSR, by sales, by BSR change, etc. Because we are looking for a trading niche, what we're gonna do, we're gonna select the date uploaded. Because we are looking for a trending niche, what we're gonna do, we're gonna sort by date uploaded. Okay, you don't need to enter any range. What Mesh will do is simply filter from the latest uploaded to the oldest. So you click on the date uploaded and you can now sort by from the newest to oldest. Of course, this is what we want. We do not want from the oldest to the newest. Otherwise, you're gonna have like the first t-shirt uploaded to Mesh by Amazon. But we want recent trend. Okay. And BSR range can be left like that. But what I like to do, because they are new t-shirts, sometimes new t-shirts are gonna have a BSR very high. So I'm gonna maybe increase it a bit. Okay. And then I click on search. And what I can see here, these are the latest design uploaded to Mesh by Amazon that already made sale. You're gonna scroll the page that we have here and take a note of t-shirt that you may be interested in. For example, I can see this Papa here, and I can see this t-shirt here that's saying it's weird being the same age as all people. So definitely I'm gonna add this one as well. So you continue. This is still back to school, and I see this one, shrimp whisperer. This is a shrimp niche, certainly shrimp lover, certainly shrimp lover. I'm gonna open this one on Amazon. I can see shrimp whisperer. The date it was uploaded July 30th, so less than a month ago, and already made a sale. Because I'm in high tier, what I can do with this design is basically create design with animal whisperer for all the animals. I can grab on internet a list of all the animals and basically create, for example, dog whisperer, cat whisperer, lizard whisperer, etc., etc. I'm gonna scale the design, and I already created videos on how to scale design with Adobe Illustrator as well as Affinity Designer. I'm gonna leave a link in the description below if you are interested in. So this one can be a good thing to do. I'm gonna copy shrimp whisperer here, and I'm gonna type it on the search bar just to see if the competition is high. 1000 results. But as you can see, not all the design are saying shrimp whisperer, so it can be a good niche to enter into. So on my side, what I will do is simply scale the design with all the animals. For sure, graphics can make a difference, but as you can see, a simple text design made a sale. So why not scale the design for all the animals And then once you have an animal that made a sale, now you can get into and create more t-shirts on this niche. This is exactly what people are doing. They create a lot of design, and when one of them is selling, they create much more in this niche. So definitely something you need to consider. Another birthday design, and I can see here Jamaica 60 Independence Day. So again, another possibility to scale the design with all the country in the world with their Independence Day. Definitely design idea. This is what I wanted to share with you today. If you have any question, please comment below. And if you find any value in this video, please like and subscribe. Thank you for your time and have a nice day.